Hi, Jim here at OCRVCenter in beautiful Yorba Linda. Today we got another one of the Sprinter vans who happened to misjudge the height. If it happens to you, don't worry about it. It happens a lot, so don't take it personal. So what we're doing here, we take the windshield out, all of the interior out, seats as such, cut the roof off. Going to be replacing some of the inner structure pieces that are over here on the table, and then ultimately the roof panel and corner and side panels. Pretty major repair here. So there again, if you happen to misjudge the height on your Sprinter van, don't worry about it. We can make it like it never happened. So give us a call here at OCRV for all your Sprinter needs.